Okay, if you have a Chevy Equinox, we're going to go over how to change the battery on your key fob. First, push this side in here. That'll release the key. And then you put the key in here and turn it sideways, and that'll pop the key fob apart. There's no need for a screwdriver. You don't need a screwdriver in here. So take the key. Okay, put it in here, give it a pop sideways. That's it. Key fob comes apart. There it is. That opens up. There's a circuit board underneath with your buttons. Put that back in there. There's your battery right there. And it should be a 2032. You could probably just use your actual key again to pop that right out of there. Which you can, so you don't need any extra tools. CR2032. That's all it is. And CR2232 is facing down. So take your new one. Put your CR2032 facing back down. Okay. Put the opening back towards you. Put the circuitry back on here. That will also grip onto the battery right here. That goes onto the battery. Okay. Put the clamshell back together. Make this start going in the groove. Push it all around. And that's it. That's how you change the battery for your Chevy Equinox or most of the newer Chevy products. Then you can put your key back in. That's it. You're done. Takes less than 2 minutes to change your battery.